Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a notification. To begin, your iPhone can flash its camera light when you receive notifications. This is an accessibility feature designed for alerts and silent or noisy environments. You just need to enable it via settings. Now, to begin, open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. Scroll to find LED Flash for Alerts. Toggle LED Flash for Alerts to on. Turn on Flash on Silent if you want it only when silent mode is active. Test by locking your phone. Ask someone to send you a message. Check if the camera flash blinks. Adjust silent mode if needed. Ensure your volume and notifications are enabled. Restart your iPhone if it doesn't work. Recheck the LED flash setting after reboot. Confirm notifications are allowed for your apps. Tip: the flash only works when the phone is locked and notifications are allowed for that app. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.